The Amazon digital marketing space has evolved over the years, and Amazon's advertising options now rival those of industry giants like Google and Facebook. With total ad spend on Amazon skyrocketing and more businesses recognizing its potential, it's important to understand how the platform works. We'll walk you through the process of becoming an Amazon affiliate, covering all the intricate rules and prerequisites to ensure you're set up properly in the Amazon Associates program. While many affiliate programs only require a few clicks to join, Amazon's process is a bit more intricate, with its own set of rules and criteria. How Amazon FBA works. Let's cover how to use FBA to meet your business goals, from enrolling products to sending your first shipment to the Amazon Fulfillment Network. Step 1. Decide on a fulfillment strategy. FBA offers flexibility in fulfilling your sales, allowing you to utilize it for all or select products based on your requirements. With multi-channel fulfillment, you can even extend FBA benefits to orders from other sales channels, streamlining operations through pre-built applications or direct API integration for order automation. If expanding internationally is on your agenda, remote fulfillment with FBA enables you to leverage the convenience of FBA for cross-border sales. This feature empowers you to offer your US FBA products to customers in Canada, Mexico, and Brazil, unlocking new market opportunities and enhancing your global presence effortlessly. Whether it's optimizing fulfillment processes, expanding sales channels, or tapping into international markets, FBA provides versatile solutions to meet your business needs and drive growth efficiently. Step 2. Add products to FBA. When selecting products to send to Amazon fulfillment centers, you can enroll them in FBA through your Seller Central account using two methods. For new inventory, simply opt for Amazon will ship and provide customer service FBA in the Offer tab while adding products. If you're converting existing products to FBA, access the Manage All Inventory section under Inventory in Seller Central. From there, click Edit next to the desired product and select Change to Fulfilled by Amazon. After enrolling or converting products, it's crucial to double-check the accuracy of entered product dimensions to prevent future inventory issues. Ensuring precise dimension input helps streamline the fulfillment process, reducing the likelihood of logistical complications and ensuring a smoother experience for both sellers and customers. Step 3. Prep, label, and pack products. To initiate your inaugural FBA shipment, the initial steps involve preparing, labeling, and packaging your products meticulously. Ensuring thorough preparation is crucial as it guarantees the safe and secure transportation of your items while expediting their availability to customers. Adhering to FBA packaging, preparation, and labeling guidelines is essential for a seamless check-in process at Amazon fulfillment centers. It's imperative to have key items readily available when preparing your shipment, including the ship from address, accurate product measurements, case sizes, appropriate shipping boxes, poly bags, bubble wrap for added protection, a reliable shipping scale for precise measurements, and a printer for generating labels and barcodes. By diligently following these guidelines and having the necessary materials at hand, you can streamline the shipment process and optimize the efficiency of your FBA operations, ultimately enhancing the customer experience and maximizing sales potential. Step 4. Ship products to Amazon using the Send to Amazon workflow. When you're ready to send inventory to Amazon's fulfillment network, follow the Send to Amazon workflow in Seller Central. Send to Amazon helps sellers who use FBA or multi-channel fulfillment get products to the Amazon fulfillment network more efficiently. The workflow provides a single destination for replenishing inventory and guides sellers step by step through the shipment creation process. The Send to Amazon workflow offers the following benefits. Save time by creating reusable case pack templates. When shipping single SKU boxes to the Amazon fulfillment network, you can save time by creating and reusing case pack templates. Easily select the best shipping option. You can choose to ship products as small parcel delivery or in pallets with less than truckload delivery. You can also use both these shipping modes via multi-mode shipping. Access discounted shipping rates. You have the option to use an Amazon partnered carrier to ship inventory, which offers deeply discounted shipping rates, automated tracking, and the convenience of purchasing and printing shipping labels within the Send to Amazon workflow. To monitor shipments to fulfillment centers or start the Send to Amazon workflow, hover over Inventory in the main menu of Seller Central and click Shipments. Log into Seller Central to get started with Send to Amazon. Step 5. Track inventory and manage stock. Managing your inventory through FBA simplifies the process of launching and expanding your business. It's crucial to maintain vigilance over your inventory levels to ensure consistent product availability while minimizing long-term storage expenses. Within Seller Central, accessing the FBA inventory section allows for efficient monitoring, planning, and restocking of inventory. Additionally, the FBA dashboard offers a comprehensive overview of your sales performance, shipments, available inventory, and potential FBA opportunities, streamlining decision-making processes. Implementing effective inventory management practices is key to optimizing your FBA experience. Regularly monitoring inventory levels facilitates timely restocking. Setting replenishment alerts helps prevent stockouts. Maintaining approximately 2 months' worth of inventory at fulfillment centers balances availability with storage costs. Leveraging marketing and promotional strategies can increase stock limits. Prioritizing the shipment of high-demand products ensures efficient use of resources. As your business matures, utilizing the FBA Restock Inventory tool further enhances operational efficiency by providing tailored recommendations based on sales history, demand forecasts, seasonal trends, and replenishment settings, empowering you to make informed decisions and maximize your FBA potential. Step 6. Look for ways to grow sales. Utilizing the efficient and dependable shipping services provided by Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, can significantly enhance sales by elevating the appeal of your offers to potential buyers. Additionally, leveraging FBA programs such as Subscribe and Save fosters customer loyalty by encouraging repeat purchases, while incorporating Buy with Prime extends the seamless Amazon shopping experience to your other sales platforms. Furthermore, Amazon provides various avenues beyond FBA to bolster sales, ranging from sponsored ads and diverse advertising opportunities to establishing and cultivating your brand identity through Amazon Brand Registry. These multifaceted strategies offer abundant possibilities to enhance your revenue streams. Build an audience for your brand/product. Building an audience for your brand or product on Amazon requires patience and strategic steps. Establishing a trustworthy brand takes time, but it's essential for fostering long-lasting customer relationships and gaining Amazon's trust. Here are some key actions to take. Ensure brand cohesion. Before investing in advertising, ensure your brand has a cohesive identity that resonates with your target audience. Practice patience. It typically takes around 6 months for a brand to gain traction on Amazon. Focus on building a positive reputation and growing your customer base over time. Start advertising. Sponsored brands offer various ad formats like banner ads, video ads, and store ads to expand your brand's reach and attract potential customers. By following these steps and leveraging resources like Seller Presto for expert guidance, you can set up your Amazon FBA account. In the competitive world of Amazon FBA, digital marketing is a powerful tool for achieving success. By optimizing product listings, leveraging paid advertising, and strategically utilizing social media, email marketing, SEO, and content marketing, sellers can enhance their visibility and drive sales on the platform. However, success requires a commitment to ongoing optimization and adaptation to changing market dynamics. By staying agile and proactive, sellers can unlock the full potential of Amazon FBA and thrive in the ever-evolving e-commerce ecosystem.